I'd like to share with you a recent case experience that we had. We had a gentleman who was injured on a construction site. At the construction site, he was on a ladder that failed. The employer refused to acknowledge the accident and even lied and said our guy was never there. And then he even called and threatened our guy with violence for making a claim. The client came to us as a referral from a friend of a friend. So he knew that we knew what we were doing, and there was a lot of confidence, but there also creates a need for us to live up to that level of expectation, especially when it's a friend of a friend. We want to make sure that we do a spectacular job on every case, but when someone puts their name on the line for us, we especially want to show that we do the job exactly the way it needs to be done, and even better than that. This particular client suffered some very serious injuries. He didn't have resources to do this on his own. When we stepped in, the carrier was denying fault. Not only did the carrier end up accepting fault, but they paid full value, and we exceeded the client's expectations. Throughout the case, as the defense was trying to say that this never happened, he was never there, we continually produced evidence that showed that he was there, and they would continually ignore it. On this case, there was an eyewitness that our client was at the job site. We got a statement from the eyewitness. We gave it to the defense. The defense ignored that evidence and said, well, he wasn't there when he fell. We then brought evidence that the defendant himself, the employer, admitted to the incident on voicemails, and we had those voicemails transcribed and also provided. Again, the carrier denied fault. Finally, we went on to the defendant's social media and found that he had taken a selfie video of the job site with my client on his ladder before it happened. And we produced that to the defense in mediation, and they paid over $500,000 when they were offering nothing prior to that. Whenever anyone's involved in a serious injury, not only do they have to worry about getting healthy, but they have to worry about creditors coming after them. They have to worry about getting the right treatment. They have to worry about how they're going to pay for that treatment. When we have a client such as the one that fell, not only did we help them with getting the medical bills paid, we got him to the best doctor in town, got him great care, got the care paid for at the end of the case. He was able to get excellent medical treatment. His fears, his trepidations, his concerns about his recovery, his well-being, and his financial condition were all allayed when we finalized the case. Not only were we able to successfully make the claim, we were able to defend him from any potential alleged threats, and we got him a great outcome, and we're very proud that we were able to assist such a deserving client.